Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chemicals inside many plastics can leak into food. I recommend against using plastics while reheating food in the microwave. The materials used in containers designed for hot liquids, including styrofoam, are generally safe in the microwave, unless they get really hot, above boiling temperature for water.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Avoid microwaving polystyrene containers that do not have a microwave-safe label, as their safety cannot be assured. That's because polystyrene containers contain a compound called styrene, which has been linked to cancer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Polystyrene contains the toxic substances styrene and benzene, suspected carcinogens and neurotoxins that are hazardous to humans. Hot foods and liquids actually start a partial breakdown of the styrofoam, causing some toxins to be absorbed into our bloodstream and tissue.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's important to remind those eating ramen noodles that water should be heated in a separate container and added to the styrofoam cup. The cup should not be put in the microwave because it can release more of the BPA chemical from the styrofoam, researchers said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.